What if I told you in 2025 you could start earning a consistent monthly income with nothing but Google Maps, an internet connection, and a laptop? And what if I also told you that you don't need any fancy tech setup, no coding skills, and zero marketing experience to make it happen? This is seriously one of the most overlooked opportunities to make money online right now, and it's unbelievably simple. Literally anyone can do it, and in this video, I'm going to show you how a simple tool can help local businesses make more money and get more clients by setting up a simple lead strike service when someone calls their business. It's one of the easiest systems you can set up, and it can make you anywhere from $500 to $750 per client every single month. Genuinely, I can't believe how simple this is, and I'm so excited to show you exactly how it works. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. What we're going to be doing, very simply, we are going to be targeting local business owners, and we're going to be offering them a simple lead gen. The actual system is called a missed call text back system. That's the system we're going to be offering these local business owners, and we can get paid anywhere from $300 to $500 per client for this system. It's so simple. It's quite literally the click of a button. It's nothing complicated like the usual systems that people offer, like SEO or Facebook ads or anything like that. It is so simple. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. You're going to be blown away by how simple it is. Basically, the whole premise of this is, with local business owners, 62% of these guys don't pick up a call. And I'm going to show you a perfect example. I had an example in my own life where I needed a cleaner recently to clean my apartment. It took me about 7 or 8 cleaning companies to actually get someone on the phone. So I'm going to show you how this system, how this software, this little hack is going to get these businesses so many clients and so much services. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to the software now, but this is the system broken down very simply. And if let's say you're getting $300 per client, 10 clients, that's $3K per month. That would probably replace most people's 9 to 5. And once this system's set up, that's it, done. You just literally deal with a few messages or a few emails with the client every single month. It's going to be so hands off, so unbelievably simple. So let's jump in and show you how we're going to get everything set up. So before we actually jump into the software, I'm going to show you why this service is so valuable. So if you think about it, right, when you need a service or when you need something, whether that's a cleaner, whether that's a massage therapist, whether it's a plumber, whether it's a decker or a roofer, whatever it may be, whatever service you need, the first thing you do is you come and Google whatever the service is. So say cleaner and then your location. So let's say you're in London, let's say you're in Texas, let's say in New York, you do it followed by the city. Now what you're met with is this big, huge list of potential businesses. And generally what people do is they start at number 1, then go to number 2 and number 3 and ring until they find someone who can fulfill their service. Now generally, depending on what the service is, there's no real preference between this list. Like some have 44 reviews, some's 100 reviews, 68 reviews, 300 reviews. Now you might go with the one that has more reviews, but if you call them up and they don't answer, what do? You go on to the next one and you go on to the next one and you go on to the next one. And that's what we're going to be helping these local businesses with, because local businesses are super busy. And a lot of the time they haven't got the time to pick up the call. So if someone calls through, they are losing out on that business if they do not pick up the call. Because a lot of these businesses, they don't have huge teams. It's probably a lot of the time it's owner operated. There's 1 or 2 staff. So if they don't pick up that call, that is lost money for their business. And the perfect example is when I needed a cleaner recently. It took me about 7 or 8 of these guys before I got someone on the phone. And the first one I got on the phone, that's who I went with. Now, if the first company here, Get It Cleaned, if they had the service that I'm about to show you, if they had that in their business, then I likely would have went with them. And they lost out on that business because they didn't have that service. That's exactly what you're going to be selling these guys. You're going to be selling them that you're going to capture that lost revenue, and they're going to make so much more money with this super simple software installed into their business. Basically, what this software is going to do is, if I take this first company again, Get It Cleaned, and I go to get phone number, here's their number. If I go and ring that number and they don't answer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to implement a software that's going to text them immediately, or text the person that rings them and whatever message. I'm going to show you a few options for the message, and then they can keep that business, they can keep that conversation going. So I'm going to show you how that works with the software now, but that's what we're doing. We're going to help these businesses miss out on that lost revenue, because we don't want people calling down. We want to set up this software where they instantly get a text back if they miss that call or the owner doesn't get a chance to answer the phone. This is the software we are going to be using to set up this system. Now, the actual system is called a missed call text back. And just to go over that again, when someone calls into the Google My Business profile and they miss the call, we are going to set up a system that texts them immediately if the owner hasn't got a chance to answer the phone. So the first thing you do on Go High Level, by the way, if you want to use this software, I'm going to put a link down below where you can get a 2-week free trial on Go High Level. It's an incredible software. There is so much you can do on it. This is literally a drop in the ocean compared to what you can do on the actual software using all of its different deliverables. However, for this video, we are going to be setting up the missed call text back system. So the first thing we need to do is go over to this section, to manage your Google business profile. And we want to click on connect. Now, Google business profile is these guys. So when we went back to this search, these are all Google business profiles. And if you click on one, this is the actual Google business profile. So you can see the reviews, you can see the phone numbers, the opening hours, all of that good stuff, their address. That is the Google business profile. Now, when you have signed a client, when you're working with a client, you will either get them or you will get their password, and then you will come over to your Go High Level account and you will connect. You will just click on connect and it'll ask you to sign into their Google account. Just ask the client for their password and then you sign in, and it will integrate, and all of this information will come across to your Go High Level account. All of this integrates with Go High Level very, very seamlessly and very, very easily. And then your Google business profile will be on Go High Level. Now, once the Google business profile is on Go High Level, what you want to do next is you want to scroll down to settings. And then once you are in settings, you want to scroll down to the very, very bottom and you want to click on this link. Go to missed call text back settings. Now, when you click on that link, it will bring you across to a page that looks like this. And what you want to do is you want to go to voicemail and missed call text back, and then you want to go down to SMS settings, and then you want to click on this enabled missed call text back. And you can see here the message. It's literally all ready to go. So in here, you will have the business's number. You just put that in, whatever number the business owner wants to use, you just put in here, and then you customize the message here. You can literally put in whatever you want. It's super, super simple. And then that is literally it set up. That's it. Like, how simple is that? It's pretty amazing. And business owners will absolutely pay you to do this, because when you speak to these guys on the phone, they will be telling you, I miss calls all the time. I miss business all the time. I'm just one person. I haven't got the bandwidth to answer all these calls. And this solution is perfect for that pain point because it automates everything. And if this gets them an extra 5 jobs per month, 10 jobs per month, that is worth a lot of money to a small business owner. So are they going to pay you $100, $200, $300 per month for this service? Of course they are. Now, if you're thinking, this is so simple, why don't they just set it up themselves? Well, business owners have no idea what Go High Level is. They might be, brick and mortar businesses. They mightn't be very tech savvy. They mightn't have even heard of Go High Level. I can imagine probably 90% of them haven't. So I would not worry about something like that. This is just a no-brainer. The ROI is going to be there for the business owners. Literally, once you've set it up, this is done. It's completely passive. Yes, you might have to exchange a few text messages or emails with the business owner every month. But I mean, as far as passive goes, this is so passive. It's going to be so simple, and it's going to get the business owner amazing results. It's going to get them amazing results. I'm telling you, this is so incredible. I wish I knew about this years ago, because I would have offered it in my agency such a long time ago. I really would have offered it such a long time ago, because it is so powerful and it is so simple. It's a low cost, low effort service that you can sell to unlimited businesses. Like, the sky is the limit. You could sell this to 100 businesses because it's so simple to set up and it's so simple to manage. It is really incredible. And honestly, it's so slept on. And I would get in this. I would start using this before it starts getting saturated and before a lot of people start offering it. So this is so incredible. I hope this is getting you excited, and it's so simple. So if you want to use this, click the link for Go High Level down below, and this honestly will get you amazing results. So that's it. Hopefully that has blown you away. However, if you are just getting into the make money online space, or maybe you're even an agency owner with bigger and more ambitious goals, maybe you want to get to 20K per month, 30K per month, in that case, then I have just the thing that you are looking for. I have a video that I am going to link in the corner of the screen right now that shows you how to create a marketing agency that can pay you crazy amounts of cold hard cash. We're talking 10K per month, 20K per month, even 30, 40, and 50K per month. These are results that I'm getting in my own marketing agency and that my students are getting in their marketing agencies. So if you want to start a marketing agency and you want to learn how to grow to 30K per month, 40K per month, you want to learn how to choose a killer niche, you want to learn how we craft craft no-brainer offers and then close like a pro and build outreach systems that land clients in your inbox every single day, then I'm going to link that video in the corner so you can watch that video and scale your marketing agency to the moon and sell services just like the one we looked at in this video today. So go and check out that video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.